Hi, hello, buddies. I'm RJ Mahalakshmi, grade 7 from Pumbats Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo. A call was on him from intangible heights, indifferent to the little outpost mind. He dwelt in the wideness of the eternal's realm. Thank you, bye.
Hi, hello, buddies. Nanga Bhagyashree, grade 6 from River's Garden School. Today's Krami Yogi Appa message: shame is the process of ritual self awareness of the public conduct. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Rajesh and grade 7 from Primberskan School. In this show, we are going to see some logical question and answer. What does wheels and flies, but is not an aeroplane? Answer: a garbage duck. And next வாங்க விடுகதை பார்க்கலாம். சாப்பிடக்கூடிய தங்கமேடு. யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். பதில் கிடைச்சிடா சக்ரா கோல்ட். Thank you, bye.